Manny Viarrial. This is Terra Summers. I'm from Colorado Springs now, and she's from Denver, Colorado. Yeah. So what we did is we did something that's very simple, and we're going to discuss it a little bit quickly, is the technical part. So what I'm doing is I have my right hand under her lap very gently, and then Terra is going to lay her hand down and kind of fully into the lat of her left side of her arm. That's what maintains connection and frame. Okay? We did a starter step. We went in place and then to the side. And what Terra said is to make sure that she feels that transfer of weight from leaders to the followers, right? I'll do it in place again. I'll move and transfer over here. It's very, very important. From here, we're going to do an 8-count pattern, which means leaders, you're going to go counterclockwise. Remember what Terra said, keep the center to this part of the body for the leader. Okay? So if I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that is what will happen to where she knows exactly where you are. From here, I release it to go 7 and 8. From this point, we then did a basic grip. We broke it down in increments. This is a normal basic grip. We went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. What I see a lot of leaders is don't go around the follower. Wait until she squares up on 2, so that, and I'll show, talk about 1, 2. I have to stay here on 3 and to situate her, and then as I bring her to her right foot on count 4, I face her on count 4. That's what creates our connection and frame. Open it up to encourage her to go 5, move her on 6 to the leverage, in place on count 7 and 8. So then we then moved into a different position. We went full whip again. And then leaders, I place her here. Now, that's count 6. Terra was saying, be sure you have center moving this way, because if I'm over here, she doesn't know where I am, and she's going to disconnect. So I'm right here. Now, leaders, I went ahead and told you to then go into a center shuffle. She's going to do and 7,
8, 9,
10, 11, 12. So then I'm going from here, as she's doing and, I'm going anchor step, or center shuffle. She does 11, 12, and I just go 12. However, if I want to do something with her, then I will do it with her. 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we matched. That was pretty cool. The last part was a fun thing that we can do. We just shoulder push. 1, 2, 3. She then indicates here, part here, to tell me that she wants to do something really cool. And then while she's doing that, I can go here, and I can do anything that feels comfortable, a little twist. But once I'm ready to take her out, I tell her, by position her on the right, she's going to go inside turn. I then wait on my left foot to do counter, so she has my leverage, and then I can do anything I want. Compression to leverage to compression, inside turn again, and triple step. You'll see it on camera, so you know how to get out of it. Yes? That was great. Thank you so much, folks.